Hi, I'm Ben.
Hey, Ben, nice to meet you. I'm Sarah.
Pleasure to meet you too, Sarah.
Likewise, Ben.
What do you like to do in your free time, Sarah?
I enjoy reading and watching TV. How about you, Ben?
I like playing football and video games.
That's interesting. Do you play football with your friends often?
Yeah, we usually get together and play every weekend.
Sounds like a lot of fun.
It really is. I find it's a great way to relax and hang out with friends.
Absolutely. I wish I could play football too.
You could come and watch us play sometime if you want.
That sounds like a plan.
What kind of TV shows do you usually watch?
I enjoy watching cartoons and cooking shows.
I like cartoons too. Do you enjoy cooking?
Yeah, I love cooking with my mom.
That's cool. What do you like to cook?
I like baking cookies and cakes.
Yum, I love cookies.
Maybe I can bake some for you sometime.
That would be awesome.
No problem, Ben.
Do you have any other hobbies?
Yeah, I also like drawing and painting.
That's cool. What do you like to draw?
I enjoy drawing animals and flowers.
Do you have any pets?
Yeah, I have a cat named Whiskers.
That's cute. I have a dog named Max.
I love dogs too.
Maybe we can go to the park with Max and Whiskers sometime.
That would be great.
What other hobbies do you have, Sarah?
I also like singing and dancing.
That's fun. Do you sing and dance at home?
Yeah, I love singing and dancing with my friends.
Maybe we can have a karaoke night sometime.
That sounds like a lot of fun.